Please find a comfortable and relaxed posture. Take a few deep, long breaths and relax your whole body. In this evening, we are going to spend beautiful 30 minutes. We are going to develop loving thoughts. We are going to focus on our breath. Relax your mind and relax your body. Relax, relax. Maybe it is very busy day for you. Maybe so much things going on your mind. Please keep everything behind you. Be kind to yourself. Be gentle to yourself. Develop a loving and kind thoughts towards to yourself. Think, may I be well? Imagine your whole family members. Imagine their faces individually. If you have any difficult time with someone, try to let it go. This is the time to take care of each other. This is the time to help each other mentally and physically. Send your loving and kind thoughts towards to your loved ones. May my family members be well, be happy, be peaceful, may they be safe from inner and outer dangers. May they be free from mental and physical suffering. May not any harm come to them. May they be strong and healthy mentally and physically. Send your loving and kind thoughts with your unconditional mind. Send your loving and kind thoughts without any discrimination. Let's make a strong wish all together. When you are thinking about your life, that you can imagine how many good deeds, how many good karmas that you did in your life. Imagine that all good deeds, imagine that all good karmas. Maybe so many things come to your mind. Think of that everything because you did something very beautiful, something very good deeds in your life. Those are so powerful. Now think because of that all the good deeds. May all the living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. Also think who suffer from because of this pandemic. Who suffer from different kind of disease, illness. That all the beings, strong and healthy, mentally and physically, may all the living beings able to find comfortable, peaceful and relaxed environment. Send your beautiful blessing thoughts towards to the living beings. This is the time to add more love into this world. Now let's practice mindfulness, breathing meditation. Take a few deep long breaths and relax your whole body. Bring your attention to the tip of your nose. just focus on your natural ordinary breath. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. When you are breathing, you can see long breath in and out. Also, you can see short breath in and out. When you see long breath, understand I am taking long breaths. When you see short breath, think I am taking short breath. No need to think about your future or your past memories. Enjoy this present moment. Breathe in mindfully and breathe out mindfully. Now slowly focus on your inside. Try to understand nature of your mind. When you see your inside, you can see your beautiful mind, your skillful mind, your good mind. Be grateful for your good mind. Try to develop your good thoughts every day. Also, you can see your unskillful mind. No need to worry about it. Understanding is the most important thing. It's mean you can fix your mind. This meditation practice will help you to develop your good mind. Now your mind and body are relaxed, peaceful and calm. Please bring your palms together in front of your heart. Make a strong determination to practice this meditation every day, at least 5-10 minutes. May peace be with you. May all the living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. Good evening everyone again. Thank you so much for everyone who joining with us today. So before I start my little talk, maybe you all have some difficult time with listening. So we are experiencing some technical issues, so we are going to fix it soon before next Wednesday. And thanks so much for again joining with us. Today I would like to share with you a little story. Why I was thinking about it. Again, we are experiencing this difficult time. Last 2 months, we were opening our temple. We were so happy to see people because after 6 months, we opened the temple. Then many people came and everyone want to practice again. Everyone want to listen to the Dhamma. Everyone want to see their friends, and people were so happy to be at the temple. So again we decided to close the temple because we want to keep everyone safe and healthy. So then we are always talking about this pandemic, this current situation. But I am always thinking this pandemic is teaching us to develop our humanity. I think this is really good time to think about it. It is good time to develop humanity. It's mean if you are develop your humanity, we are always going to take care of each other. We are going to help each other. We are going to protect each other. There are so many good things come with that humanity. So we can describe that word so many different ways. So just think about it. It is very important to think about that beautiful word, because we all are human, but as a human, it is important to think about humanity. So what is this story? Then I can explain about more. One day, one of teacher and one of student, they were walking nearby the lake. While they were walking, that teacher, he was a monk. Then he saw Next to him on the lake, one of the scorpion going to sink. He was going to sink. Usually we know scorpions are very poisonous. After they bite, maybe we could die. They are very poisonous animals, creatures. So what did that teacher? He was thinking that scorpion going to die. I want to save his life. Then what he did, he went to the lake, he went too close to the water. He tried to take him out. He tried to save his life. What did that scorpion? He bite that teacher. Then again that teacher tried to save him. Again the scorpion did the same thing. So the student, he was looking at this, then he said, "My dear teacher, what are you doing? Don't you see that scorpion keep biting you? Why you are going to help him? Otherwise you are going to die because he is very poisonous." Then what did that teacher? He took a stick, then he saved his life. Then afterward he said, "You know, my student, usually scorpions are, sometimes they try to bite. That is their nature. But I am a monk. I am always practicing good qualities. As a monk, as a humans, helping others is my nature. If they bite, however, I am going to help them until I can." So that was the teacher's advice after he saved that scorpion. I think this story can apply to our daily life, especially these days. Because as I told you, this is really good time to think about humanity. This is good time to help each other. That's why very beginning I told you, if you have any difficult time, if you have any difficult things in your mind, keep that everything behind you. If you have any difficult time with someone, just forget it. Try to let it go. So help everyone as much as you can without any expectation. It is really wonderful thing to practice every day, but especially these days. Maybe in your neighborhood, maybe someone needs some food, maybe someone needs your help, maybe some old people, some elderly people, they can go outside. Maybe you can, if you have time, maybe you can ask. If they need help, you can do that. So there are so many ways we can think about it. We can develop our loving kindness. So we can practice our loving kindness. Also we can apply that loving kindness to our daily life. So that's why I said, try to practice, try to help everyone without any expectation, because if you help to someone with expectation, it means you are expecting someone, you are expecting something after you help. If they don't say thank you, maybe you will get upset because they didn't say thank you. Don't accept anything, don't accept any appreciation. Without expectation, help. So it is very important to think. Try to think about it. Try to help everyone as much as you can this difficult time. So one day you can enjoy that everything. Oh, I did like this. I did like this in my life. So that's why I already told you during loving kindness meditation. Imagine that everything what you did in your life, that good deeds, that good karmas, because those are so powerful. Maybe when you were thinking about it, your mind became so happy because you did something really beautiful in your life. So try to think about that everything. Try to practice your loving kindness. Try to help each other without any expectation. So thank you so much for everyone. You all join with us this evening. Also, we are keep going to do these meditation sessions every Monday, every Wednesday over the Facebook, and also every Saturdays we do over the Zoom. Usually we invite some monks from different states, some different countries. You can meet new teachers, you can learn so many new things. And also Bhante Badye, he also doing Dhammapada class and Sutta study class over the Zoom. You can also join with that class. And also every month, third Wednesday, we do question and answering session over the Zoom. So also you can join with that class. Then you can ask any question about Buddhist teaching or about meditation or about anything. So there are so many opportunities. This time you can learn more Dhamma and more about meditation. So we are always so happy to share our knowledge with you. We are so happy to meet. We are so happy to introduce new teachers. So think about that everything. And also right now we are going to do a special blessing, special chanting for everyone. This time we all need good blessings. We all need some good vibes. So we all the monks, we are going to do a special chanting we call Ratana Sutta. Ratana Sutta means Great Blessing Sutta, Great Blessing chanting. So we are going to do that chanting. You can practice loving kindness meditation during the chanting time. You can imagine your loved ones. You can send your loving and kind thoughts towards them. So now monks are going to chant lovingly and kindly. Listening this chant kindly. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Bhagavāraham samma sambuddho vijja charana sampanno sugatolo anuntaro purisa dhamma sarati sattha deva manussa buddho bhagavati swakato bhagavata dhammo sam Akaliko ehi pansiko panayiko panchattam veditambo Supatipanno bhagavato savaka sangho Ujupatipanno Yāya patipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho Yāmechi patipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho Yadidam chattari purisa yugani atta purisa Esa bhagavato sāvaka sangho Ahuneyo pahuneyo Dakkineyo anjali karaneyo Anuttaram punyakyam tan lokam Saccavajjena dukkha upasamentu te Tena saccavajjena භයාවූප සමින්තු තේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන රෝගාවූප භූතානි සමාගතානි බුම්මානි වායානිව අන්තලෙංකේ සම්බේව භූතා සුමනා භවන්තු අතෝපි සක්කච්ච සුනන්තු භාසිතං තස්මාහි භූතානි සාමේත මෙත්තං කරෝත මානුසියා පජාය දිවාචරන් හරන්ති බලෙන් තස්මාහි නේරංකත වින්තං ඉදවාහුරං වාසග්ගේසු වායං රතනම් පනි නනෝ සමං අත්ති තථාගතේන ඉදම්පි බුන් රතනම් පනේතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවාති හෝතු කයං විරාගං අමතං පනේතං දජ්ජගා සක්්‍ය මුනේ සමායිතෝ නතේන ධම් සමාත්ති කිංචිදම්පි ධම්මේ රතනම් පනිතං ඒතේන සුවාති හෝතු බුද්ධ සෙට්ඨෝ පරිවන්නයේ සුචින් සමාධිමා තරිකඤ්ඤමාහු සමාධිනාතේන සමෝන වින් ඉදම්පි ධම්මේ රතනම් පනිතං ඒතේන සච්චේන අට්ඨ සතම්ප සන්තා චත්තාරි ඒතානි යුගානි යොන්ති තේ දක්ඛි සුගතස්ස සාවකායේතේ සුදින්නානි මහප්පලා ඉදම්පි සංඝේ රතනම් පනේතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවාති හෝතු මනසා දල්ලේන නෙක්ඛාමිනෝ ගෝතම සාසනම් මේතේ පත්තිපත්තා අමතං විගය්‍ය ලද්දා මුදා නිම්බුතිම් බුඤ්ජමානායි දම්පි රතනම් පනිතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවාති හෝතු පඨවින් සිතෝසියා චතුබ්බිවාතේ බියසම්පකම්පයෝ තතු සප්පුරිසං වදාමේයෝ අරිය සච්චානි අවෙච්ච පස්සති ධම්පි සංඝේ රතනම් ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවාති හෝතු ඒකය සච්චානි නිභාවයන්ති ගම් කිංචාපිතේ හොන්ති බුසප්පමත්තානතේ බව අට්ඨමං ආදියන්ති ධම්පි සංඝේ රතනම් ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවාති හෝතු සහවස්ස දස්සන සම්පදාය තයසු ධම්මා ජයිතා භවන්ති දිට්ඨි විචිකිච්ඡිතං ච සීලබ්බතං වාපි යදත්ති චතුපායේ හිච විප්පමුත්තෝ චචාබිතානානි අබබ්බෝකා ඉදම්පි සංඝේ රතනම් පනිතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්තියෝතු කිංචාපි සෝකම්මං කරෝති පාපකං උදචේතසාවා බම්බුසුතස්ස පටිච්චාද අබබ්බතාදිච්ච පදස්ස වුන්තායි දම්පි සච්චේන සුවත්තියෝතු අනප්පගුම්බේ අතාපුස්සිතං ගිම්මාන මාසේ පටමස්මෙන් තතුපමන් ධම්ම වරං අදේසයි නිබ්බාන ගාමින් පරමං ඉදම්පි බුද්ධේ රතනම් පනේතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්තියෝතු වරදෝ වරහරෝ අනුත්තරෝ ධම්ම වරං අදේසයි දම්පි රතනම් පනේතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්තියෝතු ඊනම් පුරාණං විරත්ත චිත්තායතිකේ බවස්නෙන්තේ කේන බීජා අවිරුල්ලිච්ඡන්දානින් යතායම් පදීපෝ ඉදම්පි සංගේ රතනම් පනි ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්තියෝතු යානිද භූතානි සමාගතානි නිව අන්තලින්කේ තථාගතං දේව මනුස්ස පූජිතං බුද්ධං නමස්කාම සුවත්තියෝතු යානිද භූතානි සමාගතානි බුම්මානි වායානිව අන්තලින්කේ තථාගතං දේව මනුස්ස ධම්මං නමස්සාම සුවත්ති හෝතු යානිද භූතානි සමාගතානි බුම්මානි වායානිව අන්තලින්කේ තථාගතං දේව මනුස්ස පූජිතං සංඝං නමස්සාම සුවත්ති හෝතු ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජ දුක්ඛාවූප සමෙන්තු තේතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේ භයාවූප සමෙන්තු තේතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේ රෝගාවූප සමෙන්තු තේ සම්බේතයෝ විවජ්ජන්තු සබ්බ මාතේ භවත්වන්තරායෝ සුඛේ දීඝායුකෝ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ බුද්ධානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ ධම්මානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ සංඝානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ ආකාසට්ටා ච බුම්මට්ටා දේවානාගා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරං රක්ඛන්තු ශාසනං ආකාසට්ටා ච බුම්මට්ටා දේවානාගා මහින්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරං රක්ඛන්තු දේශනං ආකාසට්ටා ච බුම්මට්ටා දේවානාගා මහින්దికා පුඤ්ඤ යන්තං අනුමෝදිत्वा චිරං රක්ඛන්තු ත්වං සදාති. May you be well, may you be happy, may you be peaceful. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful night.